Hey guys, Andrea Collins here. So if you've noticed that your room doesn't sound all that great, you could definitely use some soundproofing, but listen, it doesn't have to be expensive. I was in a closet for a huge part of my career, working full-time, being a professional voiceover artist in the closet. One thing I did do was I grabbed some of these panels that are like really quite affordable, and they have sticky on the back, so you can just prop them up. And what I would do was a client would see these in the background, so I'd look all professional, and then little would they know I'd have like a blazer in front of my face. So anything works, like as long as it sounds good. Now here I am in a more professional studio. I've got some sound panels. They were a bit more of an investment, probably around $1,500 or so. I'm in Canada, so that was the price. And it's the first time I'm working in a room. It's actually an old storage closet in our house, so not getting that fancy yet. About 9 by 6, I'd say, and it's just the perfect space now that I've installed these panels. So a little soundproofing goes a long way, but don't feel like you have to invest in some fancy whisper room right away. You can just hop in the closet with your sweaters and your blankies and you'll be just fine. If you want any more hot tips like that, hit me up on Instagram at Andrea Collins Voiceover. Also, lots of good stuff on my website, AndreaCollinsConsulting.com. Hope that helps.